we're going to look at writing emails of inquiry. Now, you send an inquiry when you want to know something. Perhaps you want some information from a venue if you want to host an event, or if you want to get some prices for buying some equipment. When making inquiries, it is best to use a polite, friendly tone, and to avoid imperatives such as send me your price list or inform me about your availability ASAP, as these can appear rude and demanding. Whatever the situation, it's important to use polite language in your inquiry, and please is considered polite enough to be used in every type of request. As simple as it might sound, simply adding this one word can instantly make the sentence sound more polite. Let's look at some examples. Please send me your price list. Please inform me regarding your availability. Now, although both of these phrases are fairly direct, they are at least polite. Phrases with could and would like are far more polite than can and want, and they make requests and inquiries even more polite. Let's look at some more examples. Can you please send me would become could you please send me. I want to order would become I would like to order. When making new inquiries with someone you're dealing with for the first time, you could use a more formal, respectful phrase such as we would appreciate some information on. I would be grateful if you could send me your current brochure. I would appreciate it if you could reply to me by close of business tomorrow. Now, when you have regular contact with someone such as a co-worker or even a client, it would be excessively formal to use this kind of phrase in an email. Stick to please, could, and would like for people you have a better business relationship with. Now it's time for your end of lesson test. See if you can phrase these direct inquiries more politely. Send me your price list. Inform me about your current availability. Can you CC me in the email to your client? I want to order 2,000 units. I want some information about your corporate packages. Reply to this email by COB tomorrow. I want to receive the replacement laptops by 1 p.m. tomorrow.
Excellent!